Are you impressionable, or do you like the thrill? Well, keep watching this video, because we want to show you how specialists do piercings, and also some tips if you already have one. It is very common in the lips, and here you can see how they do to pierce that delicate area. To clean the holes, you can use dental floss with alcohol. Pass the floss through, and thus avoid possible infections or bad smell. If you have a nose piercing, did you know you can hide it by tucking it in? You don't have to take it out. And if you've just gotten your ears pierced and can't rest them on a pillow, don't worry. The solution isn't to spend the night without sleeping, but to use a travel pillow. You can clean your nostrils using a syringe filled with saline solution. This can also help prevent bad odors and infections. Belly button piercings are hard to remove, aren't they? It's easier if you use some tape to unscrew and pull it out. It is also common for navel piercings to be irritating and itchy. You can use salt water to bathe the area and problem solved. How great, right? Mix the aloe vera gel with some water. Then add some agar-agar powder. You will see that you get a kind of rubber similar to gelatin. You can use this to cover your belly button piercing and let it dry. This is useful if you need to protect it. Then carefully remove it, and that's it. Did you know about these hacks? Do you have any more to add to the list? Tell me in the comments what your favorite piercing is, and if you don't have one, where you would like to get one.